In a quiet old room, a tiny white kitten found her favorite toy again, the one she loved when life was warm and safe. It wasn't another cat or creature, it was a small robot, rusted and hurt, lying helpless in the rain. She waited by the window, hoping the world outside still remembered her gentle little heart. Under the moon's quiet light, she whispered her dreams to the only friend she had left. Every night, she brought tiny pieces of metal, believing she could make him better, believing love could fix anything. Through the rain and cold, she ran, her tiny paws splashing through puddles, chasing the piece of love she lost. The robot's eyes glowed again. He looked around, confused, until he saw her, the kitten who never gave up. Then from the storm came kindness, a gentle hand, a smile, and a new beginning. Wrapped in warmth again, she finally felt safe, her heart finding a home once more. She placed her old toy by the window, whispering goodbye, because love had found her again.